Let's study about shapes. Our story time today, the story of circle and square.
Circle and Square were friends. When they were young, they spent every day together. They would play and laugh and splash in the stream. They would even have sleepovers when their parents would let them. But one day they were playing on a hill and Circle started to roll down. He laughed and urged Square to roll down with him. But Square couldn't. Slowly, Circle and Square realized they were different. They didn't know how to treat each other after this. They stopped playing as much. They grew apart. Then they stopped talking, thinking they were too different to be friends. It was a sad day indeed. One day, Circle got sick and had to go to the doctor. He didn't know Square was sick too and was very surprised to see him at the doctor's office. They hadn't seen each other in a very long time. The doctor knew the story of how their friendship had ended and he wanted to help. He called Circle and Square over to a machine made for looking at things up close. Very close. He told them it was called a microscope. He told them to each place a hand on the table, then slide them under the microscope. When they did, they were amazed by what they saw. You are not made of just one piece, the doctor told them. You are each made of many, many smaller pieces. Circle, you are not made of just circles, and Square, you are not made of just squares. Then what are we made of? Asked Circle. Atoms, the doctor yelled happily. Everything in our world is made of atoms, including both of you. Circle and Square looked again at the screen, at all the little atoms in their hands, and they knew. Deep down, they were the same shape, no matter how different they looked on the outside. It had been a long time since they smiled at each other. The beginning.
Hey Kids! Our class today we are going to study about shapes. We are going to review one shape and then we'll learn one more, okay? In the last unit we study about circle. Look at this pink circle. Repeat, circle, circle. Great, excellent. Today we study about square. Square. Where can you find a square in your house? Where? Onde a gente podemos encontrar a square, this shape, in your house? A teacher fez uma procura na minha house e encontrei vários shapes, many squares, okay? I'm going to show for you. The first one is this toy. Look here. We have a square here, 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 here. 4 squares. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. 6 squares here. So, and we find here a little square. Look here. Square. This is a great toy. I find a square in a cube here. Do you know this toy? It's very difficult. So we find a square. Let's make square. I find a square in a box. In this little box here. This is a square. Square. I find a square here in this picture. This is a pig and a mouse. Pig and a mouse. So, another square. And you students, where can you find a square in your house?
So students, today we are going to study about square on the English book page 19 and 20. 19 and 20, okay?
Hello, kids. I am a square. I have 4 sides, and all 4 are the same length. Can you see the alphabet cube? What's the shape of its faces? Each face is a square with 4 equal sides. Wow, I can see a gift box here. All of its faces are square in shape, just like me. Wow, here comes a sandwich. What's the shape of this sandwich? You're right, it's a square. I can see a dice coming my way. I know that you all can tell me the shape of its faces. Yes, they are square. We have another big box. Well, let's see what shape it is. I guess it's a square. Yes, it's a square with all 4 sides of the same length. Oh, here comes our friend the clock. What shape is it? It's a perfect square. Oops, the clock tells me it's time to move on. See you later.
Now, students, let's open our English book on the page 19. On the page 19, we have a house here, okay? This house, we have one shape. Is a circle or a square? Square. Excellent, students. Now we are going to do this exercise.
Let's work, students. Take my pen. So let's trace here one square. Let's trace here 1, 2 square, and here another square. Okay, let's do that. Square, square. Excellent, students.
Hey students, let's do this exercise, okay? We have here 2 squares and 1 circle. 2 square and 1 circle. Look at these children. Are they happy? What do you think? Are they happy? Yes or no? Are they happy? Happy? Yes? Yes, very nice. They are happy. Oh, look. they are playing football or soccer. She's smile and she's playing with a flower. Okay, students, let's do the exercise. We are going to trace, okay? Traçar os squares.
Ping pong. Ping pong. Roll around, circle. Sir, 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 circle. Roll, roll, round and round and round. Sir, 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 circle. Roll, roll, round and round.
Stone, stone, square. Square. Stomp, stomp, here and there. Square. Stomp, here and there.
Slide, slide, triangle. Triangle. Slide, slide, left and right. Triangle. Slide, left and right.
Point, point, diamond. Diamond. Point your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond. Point 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake, shake, star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Shake, shake, shake your hands. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Shake, shake your hands. Choo, choo, heart. Ha, 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 heart. Choo, 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 give a kiss. Ha, 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 heart. Choo, choo, I love you. Let's go!
So students, let's review what we studied today. Today we study about shapes. Learn the vocabulary square and review the shape circle.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
So students, thank you. See you next class. Bye bye.